In this video, let's check how we can find trigonometric ratios of acute angles other than the standard angles. So, like if you want to find the sine of 30 degrees, then it's a simple procedure. We know from the table that sine 30 is equal to half. But in case we have a question which says find the value of, so let's say we have sine of, we need to find 36 degrees and 51 minutes. So the concept of minutes is such that 1 degree is divided into 60 parts. So each part is known as a minute. So 1 degree is actually equal to 60 minutes. Okay, that's the concept. So now if you want to find sine 36 degree 51 minutes, what we do is we use this table which is known as natural sines. You get these tables in schools and colleges. So you just have to use this table and you can get the value. So how we can do this is 36 degrees. So on the left side of this table, the left side, all the entries in the first column are for degrees. Okay, all this is degrees, and all the entries here is for minutes. Okay, so 36 degrees and 51 minutes. So 36 we can find from here, and 51 minutes we can find from here. So see, 51, since 51 is not there here, what we'll do is we'll go to the closest and the lowest from 51. So I mean the number should be less than 51, but closer to 51. So that is 48. So what I'll do is I'll in this table I'll go to 36 first, and 36, this is the, see, this is the line for 36, right? So just for understanding, we'll just shade this. Okay, and from the top we'll see 48 minutes. So 48, and let's take this arrow down. Okay, so let's see where does it intersect, and we get it here. So that is 5990. So actually, let me make it more clear. So this one, see, 5990, right? This is what we had got. So just remember one thing is that this should be written in terms of decimal. So see, this is 0.5878. So that means the entire thing is in decimals. So this would be 0.5990. But the thing is, we had taken only 48 minutes, whereas we needed 51 minutes. So there is a difference of 3. So for the difference of 3, we go to mean difference here, and then now again we take it down, 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 and we go right till where we had 36 degrees. So let's go down, and yeah, here we have the 36. So here we get it 7. So what we'll do is we'll add 7. So we add it this way, 0.0007, and what we get is 0.5997. So this is the answer for sine of 36 degrees 51 minutes. Now the concept is that since sine is an increasing function from 0 to 90, so the bigger the value, uh, the the bigger the value of the angle, the the bigger the value of the angle, the bigger the value of this output of sine. So that we learn more in 11th and 12th, but right now you just remember that you have to add the mean difference for sines. Okay, so this was a question which had sine of something. Now let's say like sine, we also have a table for cosine, so natural cosine. So let's take a question for cos. So let's say we have cos of 62 degrees and 27 minutes. So again, if you check, see, 27 is not available, but we have 24, right? So 62 degrees, let's just straight away go to 62 degrees, and here we get 62, and for 24 we have here 24. So this is the one. So we get 0.4633. Now 24, the difference is again of 3. So let's let's go to mean difference 3, and let's go down, and what we have is 8, right? So what we'll do is we'll add. So in this case, see, the cosine function is actually a decreasing function from 0 to 90. That means as the value of the angle increases, the output of cos decreases. That's why if you remember, cos of 0 is 0 and cos of 0 is 1 and cos of 90 is 0. So as the angle increases, the value of cos decreases, right? Cos of 0 is 1 and cos of 90 is 0, right? So angle increases, the value of cos decreases. So in this case, what we do is we subtract. So we'll subtract 0.0008 and after subtraction, whatever we get, so in this case, we'll get 4625. So this is the answer, right? And this is the answer for cos of 62 degrees 27 minutes. Okay, so just remember in cos we subtract the mean difference. Now similarly we have the table for tan. So let's take a question for tan. So let's say we have tan of, we need to find tan of 53 degrees 38 minutes. Just make sure you use the correct tables. Okay, for tan do not use the table for sine. Okay, so or else there would be the answer will be wrong. So 53 degrees 38 minutes. So 38 I can't find 38, but I can find 36, right? And 53 degrees. So let's straight away go to 53 degrees. So here we get 53 degrees and we need 36, right? 36. So here there is 36. 3564, right? Now the only thing in tan is if you watch carefully, here you have 1 point. So actually the value of tan here it is 1 point something, right? So you have to be careful. See here for 64 degrees it's 2 point. So that means the entire row will have 2 point, 2 point, 2 point, right? So here since we have 1 point, here this will be 1.3564. Now we have used 36 minutes and we need 38 minutes, so mean difference of 2 and it is 16, so we'll add up 16, so we'll add like this 0.0016. Now when we add up, what we get is we get 1.3580. So this is the answer, right? So just remember for sine and tan, we add the mean difference, but for cosine, we subtract the mean difference. Obviously, no one can memorize these tables. These tables are ready-made. They would be given in the exam, depending upon the chapter, if it's there in the syllabus or not. Okay, so this is how we can find the values of trigonometric functions for acute angles, which are not standard angles. In the next lecture, what we'll do is we'll do the reverse of this. Like we will be given sine theta is, let's say sine theta is 0.5798, and then we'll find what is theta. So we'll be given the answer. We need to find the angle, right? So we'll see this in the next lecture. Till then, you can just practice these three tables, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.